just wanna go riding around, no worries. Well, that's this kind of song. Yeah, alright. This is for everybody out there circling the town square, proud to be stuck out in the middle of nowhere. USA, Chevrolet, Dodge and Ford, raising a little hell and praising the Lord. Yes, sir. Just simple truth speaking, working for the weekend. Every time it hits the fan, you just keep on keeping. You tried and true, red, white, and blue. Turn it up, man, this one's for you. Woo!
Driving around, jacking downtown, anywhere Saturday night. Yeah, this is for the back road, turning up the radio, heading right where the two-lane turns into Main Street, cruising the same streets, over in the passenger seat. Baby, ain't never looked better, just singing along to this driving around song.
What I'm talking about, I grew up in them rural routes, count down them days till I got brave enough to bust out. City lights in my sights, I was gonna do it upright. Now I'm sitting here with this guitar tonight, alright, kicking it in the big town, wishing I'd have slowed it down. And I'd give anything if I was driving around with them big dreams in my pocket. Yeah, this is for the ones who don't know how good they got it. Woo!
Driving around, jacking downtown, anywhere Saturday night. This is for the back roads, turning up the radio, heading right where the two-lane turns into Main Street, cruising the same streets, over in the passenger seat. Baby, ain't never looked better, just singing along to this driving around song.
All right, everybody. Get in your truck, get in your car, whatever it is. Small town America, baby. We're going driving around.
This is for the driving around, checking downtown, anywhere Saturday night. This is for the back roads, turning up the radio, heading right where the two-lane turns into Main Street, cruising the same streets, over in a passenger seat. Your baby ain't never looked better, just singing along to this driving around song.
This is for the driving around, Jack and Diane.
To this driving around song.
Yeah, this is for the driving around, Jack and Diane.
To this driving around song.
Well, I've been hanging around this place. I've been looking through your space. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. All the places that you go, all the people that you know. I've been looking for you. I've been looking for you. And all these pretty people up on El Cerrito Place, they all got something in their pockets, all got something on their face. They roll down to La Brea, where it meets the boulevard, singing hallelujah while they dance over the stars. They all say they're going for me. I've been looking for you, baby. I've been looking for you, baby. I've been looking for you, baby. I've been said they might have seen you where the ocean meets the land. So I've been out here all night looking for your footprints in the sand. Did you hear the ocean singing? And baby, did you sing along while you danced out in the water to some old forgotten song? Or were you even here at all? Me, I've been looking for you, baby. I've been looking for you, baby. I've been looking for you, baby. I've been looking for you, baby, all night long. All night long. All night long. Somehow I wound up in the desert just after daylight, where the Joshua trees grow, that little place you always liked. But these pioneer town people ain't got too much to say, and if you ever were here, baby, they ain't giving you away. And now it's been 2 days, and I'm still looking for you, baby. I've been looking for you, baby. I've been looking for you, baby. I've been looking for you, baby, all night long. All night long. All night long. All these pretty people up on El Cerrito Place, they all got something in their pockets, all got something on their face. When you're sailing by the sea, where the ocean meets the land, so I'll be swinging all night looking for your footprints in the sand. I think I'll go back to the city, back to El Cerrito Place. That's the last time that I saw that pretty smile upon your face. I've been looking for you, baby.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA, well, there's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say that I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land.